Look, nobody win Mayweather. Nobody.
Magandang araw mga pre, mayong adlaw pod sa mga Bisaya diha. Ang tinaguri ang top pound for pound, skilled boxer, may pambihirang ring IQ at sinasabing pinakamabilis na boxer daw ngayon na si Lomachenko ay nagsabi na pala sa isang interview na wala daw talagang makakatalo kay Floyd Mayweather. Yan ang pag-usapan natin sa videong ito mga pre. Pero kung bago ka sa aking munting tahanan, pasuporta naman, click mo lang ang subscribe button at notification bell button para lagi kang updated sa mga videos ko. Ang Ukrainian 3-division world champion, Olympic gold medalist at may impresibong amateur boxing record na 396 wins at only 1 defeat na si Vasily the Matrix, the high-tech Lomachenko ay nagsabi sa isang interview na wala daw talagang makakatalo kay Floyd Mayweather dahil sa napakahusay na depensa niya, na maski siya daw mismo kung sakaling maglaban man daw sila ay talagang uupuan, paglalaanan ng panahon at talagang pag-iisipan daw niya kung paano ang gawing estratehiya para makaisa.
No, I need to sit and think about this. I need I need I need a preparation for this. I need a lot of time think about this. Nobody win Mayweather. Nobody. His defense the best, I think.
Pero sinabi din ni Loma na puro lang daw depensa itong si Floyd Mayweather. Wala daw itong boxing skills at mga kombinasyon.
But I think it's just defense. Not boxing skills, not combination.
Natanong din siya tungkol kay Manny Pacquiao na kung sakaling maglaban man daw sila ay kung kakayanin ba niya ang bilis ni Pacman. At ito naman ang sagot niya.
But if we talking about 135, it will be interesting fight for me.
He's very fast. How do you deal with the fast fighter?
Who fast?
Manny, probably the fastest fighter today.
Yeah, but now 38.
Yeah.
After 30 years, 31, your speed goes down, low down.
Sinabi niya na hindi lang naman daw bilis ang meron siya, kundi mga kombinasyon din at utak sa laban.
Your speed.
My speed?
Yeah. Getting better or?
It's not my favorite. I like boxing. I like smart. I like a lot of combination. I like eat boxer. I like eat.
Si Lomachenko mga pre ay kahit may batang pro boxing career pa ito na may record na 14 wins, 1 defeat at 10 dito via knockout ay hinahangaan na ng marami. At isa na nga dito, si boxing legend Iron Mike Tyson na nagsabing best fighter daw si Lomachenko ngayon.
Lomachenko.
What'd you make of his last performance against Rigondeaux?
He did real well. He's always doing real well.
Is he the best fighter in the world today?
I think so, yeah. They make great guys look average. Some of those guys.
Crazy. You think he's pound for pound number one, Mike?
By far.
You wouldn't give it to Terrence Crawford?
No way.
No.
This guy makes fights easy. He's great. That's what greatness is. Make things hard, make it real easy.
Mapapahanga ka hindi lang sa amateur record niya na 396 wins at 1 defeat, kundi sa bilis, galaw at ring IQ. Kaya hindi nakapagtatakang multiple division champ na ito. Pero sa palagay mo pre, kung halimbawang maglaban si Loma at si Pacman at gawin sa gustong timbang ni Loma na 135 pounds, kanino kakampi mga pre? Shout out kay Dominador Casquejo, Drian Mortis, Tuto Bray Dorado, Rixis Kin Lumungsod, Anafe Ones from Bohol, Marvin Graho, Alexander Luz, Rusik Liofas. Ingat kayo dyan pre at maraming salamat sa panonood.